Coordinating conjunctions using the mnemonics fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. A coordinating conjunction is a word that connects two or more words or group of words in a sentence. Coordinating conjunctions can easily be remembered with the acronym FANBOYS. Again, FANBOYS stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. When do we use the coordinating conjunction for? For is used to show reason or purpose. Example, the pupils focused on their project or they had to beat the deadline. And expresses addition. Example, the priest and the people are in the church. Nor connects non-contrasting negative ideas. Everybody, please read the example. But shows contrast or opposite. Amjal, will you please read the example? Or expresses choice or option. Girls, will you please read the given example? Yet shows a contrast or exception. Boys, it's your turn to read the example aloud. And lastly, so shows the result or consequence. Now everybody read the given example. We already learned the use of fanboys. Now it's your turn to write the use of fanboys in a paper given to you and place it in the graphic organizer. Let's do it! For your activity, do it with your seatmate because learning is fun when you have a partner. Letter A. Complete the following sentences with the correct coordinating conjunction. Letter B. Complete the sentence starters with the following conjunctions and, but, and so. O, atin pang kukutang ne. Nanggawan tamo, anong maadaman ne? Letter A. Complete 1 ing makatuking pangungusap gamit ing ustong pag-ugne. Letter B. Complete 1 laring pamagumpisa ning pangungusap laring makatuking pang-ugne. O, balo ng gawan pa mo.